Are you trying to find out how to see deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone? You are not alone. Many people are trying to find out the same thing. Seeing deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone can be easily done. All you need to do is implement a method that can do so in an effective, safe manner. Way 1. How to see deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone with WhatsApp recovery. How can I see the deleted messages in WhatsApp on iPhone? iPhone WhatsApp recovery has what it takes to retrieve every deleted WhatsApp message and conversation that you want. How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone with iPhone WhatsApp recovery. Get iPhone WhatsApp recovery. Connect iPhone. Launch program. Click Recover from iOS device. Start scan. Preview WhatsApp in WhatsApp folder. Select messages. Click Recover to save. Way 2. How to see deleted WhatsApp messages iPhone via WhatsApp backup. Confirm backup in WhatsApp. Open Settings. Chats. Chat backup. Uninstall, reinstall WhatsApp. Launch. Verify. Set up. On Restore Backup page, tap Restore for backup recovery. Way 3. How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp on iPhone via iCloud backup. Go to Settings and then click on General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. After your iPhone has been reset to factory settings, set up your device again until you note the Apps and Data screen. Click on Restore from iCloud backup. After messages are restored, install the WhatsApp application. Way 4. How to see the deleted messages in WhatsApp on iPhone via iTunes backup. Open Finder or iTunes on computer. Connect iPhone. Select iPhone. Click Restore Backup. Pick Backup. Click Restore. Way 5. How to see deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone from friends. On your iPhone device, open WhatsApp and find the WhatsApp chat conversation that needs to be exported. Click on More options. Click on More and then click on Export Chat. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the export.